Yeah, it's the far under the dash. I can't really see it. I think this guy here is starting to get out, and as long as I can get up this hill, he'll be good.
Can't see your wheels like that, dude.
It says channel.
That little Chevrolet can't do nothing.
That little Chevrolet can because it's...
Can too. My daddy's truck got out of here one time.
Find the trouble, I can call you. They're going up the hill now, but this... Man,
he's gotta get stuck on it.
This slick up through there.
Oh man, he's about to go back into the other ditch.
If it wasn't for that Ford's tires, that truck would be gone.
I will, Greg, and I'm going to check his radio and see if I can figure it out, too. Thank you, Greg. If you need me, call me on the phone if you can't get me on the radio, because I don't know what's up with it.
Dude, they both support each other going up that road. That Chevy's acting as an anchor for the Ford, and the Ford's acting as an anchor for the Chevy. Bob, if I just got off the bus and back and helped you back, do you think you could do that?
No, because we'd probably slide off in the ditch. Plus, that's Highway 19 back down. It'd be dangerous back behind that road.
We gotta stop twice on Highway 19. We gotta stop twice on Highway 19.
We are right here on Head Off Church Road, and we cannot go anywhere. Because it's raining. I didn't think it rained this much here.
Get that GMC back here. Rachel, sit.
Why? Well, ain't nothing he can do because then the people...
I think it's over. I think it's done already.
We are.
We got you, Pop. Hey, you watch this side around you. Yeah. Hey, front end, front end, front end. Front end.
Pop.
All right.
Half the bus is going towards the ditch.
I got the front.
Okay.
Front end. Yeah, we're not gonna make it up here.
Hey, we're flipping into the ditch back here.
No, we're good back here. Oh, you're good.
Okay, you're good, Pop. You keep coming back.
On this side.
Go into the ditch, then.
You're going through the ditch in front on that side. But if you go...
All right, you got it. He has the sirens on, y'all hear it? So we got our dad, the deputy, up here directing traffic for us because we're about to back out onto a major highway. He's getting traffic stopped up.
Gotcha.
There he is right there. All right, he has traffic stopped on the left side.
I'm going to back out to the right, though.
You're backing out towards the left.
Don't we need going down to another back road?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another dirt road
So we
right
got
down
the
there.
back out to the right.
Back out that way, yes.
Mr. Will, I want that video saying that this over 1 minute.
It's just how the messages.
Is what?
How the messages.
Hey, don't you have messages?
No.
So far, so good. Yeah.
Hey, stop, stop, stop. All right, come on.
You better stop the wheel.
You better stop because we ain't stopping. Hey! I'm going to direct him to the rest of the houses. We're going to be last.
Well.